April 9th, 2019, Tuesday. I've been microwaved since last night, internally and externally. I feel very cooked and am feeling really awful inside. Anyways, much of my neural perception gets dramas, abusive dramas, and abusive traumas, and it has a lot of effects on my cardiac system. My nervous system breaks down on it. So my remote neural technology or monitor has handlers. The handlers will play out like movie characters and voice settings. They will play out voice settings to cause suppositions, to cause effects, to cause suspicions. Like they have the Magi voice settings are these God-friendly voice settings.